Hello everyone and welcome to OlaJoe. I am the Crocheting Sailor and I just wanted to show you that I received some happy mail. I am so excited. This is my first happy mail ever. So I wanted to share this experience with you and let you know that I received this happy mail from the lovely Maria's Quilts, Crafts and Crochet. So what I did was I just took the scissors and then I just went around the edges and separate the tape. So I really don't know what's in this box. So what I'm going to do is open it up, turn it this way. Ooh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, she said, thanks for picking me an awesome cooking segment name. Can't wait to see what you make, Maria. That is so sweet. And look at it. I've never received any knit crate yarn. So this is awesome. Look at these hanks. Oh, I have chills all over. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see the goosebumps. I am so happy. Oh, Maria, you're awesome. I love you, girl, and thank you. Mwah! And I'm glad that for my subscribers, I'm able to share this with you. And I'm telling you, this yarn is so lush and plush. You know, I always say lush, plush, and luxurious. I mean, the feel of this yarn is amazing. I'll have to do the smell test. This is awesome. This is so neat. The colorway is Flying Trapeze. So I have to make something really special with this. Oh my goodness, and I get 2 of these hanks. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you, Maria, so much. Like I said, everyone, if you haven't already subscribed to her, you go ahead and subscribe to Maria's Quilts, Crafts and Crochet. I was going to say Crochet and Crafts. Maria's Quilts, Crafts and Crochet. And what I will do is I'll put a link in the description box. My little earrings. I could make these big earrings. I'm so excited. So I will put it in the description box and give her some love. All right. Thank you. Ta-ta for now.